Hello, friends. I'm joined with Dr. Kavya. She's got a remarkable rank in the recently conducted INI-CET in 2020. So, Kavya, please introduce yourself, your rank, your college.
Sir, I'm Kavya from Bangalore Medical College. My rank is 184 in the recently conducted INI-CET.
So, before we start the discussion proper, anybody you'd like to give your vote of thanks to?
My family have been supportful through and through. My friends who had more expectations from me than myself, and all the faculties in the BMCI.
Great. So, Kavya, you've been a foundation student with us?
Yes, sir.
And plus regular batch.
Plus
So, that
regular
means you've
batch.
been with us for 3 years.
Yes, sir.
When this pandemic started and the lockdown occurred and the live sessions were, the face-to-face were cancelled, were you disappointed?
Sir, no, I had my foundation notes which I started revising because my internship got over by Feb 15th. I just went through that once before the live section started. So I was not really disappointed because I thought maybe I'll complete my foundation notes once. And then when the live session started, I was actually happy because I don't have to go through, travel here and there. And I think live sessions were much more better than the face-to-face classes because the notes were also more informative than because I had attended foundation. I think it's more less elaborate in the face-to-face because the teachers have more time. They give a lot more information.
So online because they are teaching from home and they have more time, they teach more. Plus, I think for you, travel time gets cut down.
Yes, sir. And the thing is, there is you don't need to constantly motivate yourself every day because every day the classes are there and you have a target goal for each day.
So, how was your typical day in the?
I used to attend the classes. It was usually from 2 to 9 or something, which worked in my favor because I usually study in the night. So I used to finish my notes on the same day, and the next day I used to do some of the questions from review books.
So you use the main source of your questions for MCQs were review books?
Review books, yes.
Okay, the subject-wise guides.
Yes, sir.
Right. So you focused on the last 5 year papers in that, right?
Yeah, the thing is, I bought some books which only had limited number of questions for each chapter, but that's how I remembered my notes. Just by reading the notes, I don't think I would have been able to remember it. By doing questions only, I could pick out the points and remember
that was
notes.
Important you come to know.
Yes, sir.
Right. This was your typical year, and this is how you did throughout the thing.
Yes, sir.
Did you have a lot of backlog by vibe, or were you able to finish most of the subjects?
No, I didn't have many backlogs. Last subjects were orthopedics and ENT, which I completed by probably October 1st or something.
Right.
Vibe, it was recorded. I saw the recorded vibe.
Recorded, and along individual subject, you did images.
Yes, sir.
I think that's also a very good plan. So, how many revisions were you able to do?
I was only able to do one revision, but I think one good revision is more than enough because I used to make this small notes which I could revise so that you have that stimulus of the subject in between. So one good revision, lots of GTs is enough, I feel.
Right. So how were your performance in the grand test in Bhatia, and did you get the INI-CET conducted by DBMCI?
Yes, sir. Like one of them, I got some 11th rank.
11th rank, great. Yeah. So that must have boosted your morale like anything.
Yeah, it was in October 18th, and I remember that that's the time when I actually felt that maybe I'm in the right path and maybe I can do this. That was really.
How was your NEET last year?
It was not good, really bad.
How much was it?
It was 37,000.
Okay, from 37,000 you have come to this very good rank.
Yes,
so it's
sir.
really remarkable. So if you have to give some important advices to your juniors so that they will benefit and achieve the rank you've got, what would those points be?
I think more than following everybody's advice, you should find out what works for you. Because for me, more than online platforms, I can only remember things which I have read from a book. And the thing is, I used to go back to my textbooks on concepts which I used to not understand. And more than, it's also important to do a lot of questions because that's when you get hurt and you remember stuff. Because you will repeatedly get something wrong and that's when you remember things. So you have to individualize the things and find out what works for you rather than blindly following what others say. So, and then you should have lots of belief in what you're doing because my mid-year rank was kind of okay. That's when I felt that whatever I'm doing is working for me, and I just continued that. So many people told this is or review books are what the yesteryear people used to do, but I just did what works for me.
So many people are doing multiple online sources and all that. So you thought you'll just stick to this,
Yeah.
and you had a clear plan.
Yes,
and
sir.
it worked for you finally.
Yes, sir.
Great. So any particular faculties you'd like to?
Sir, Nasisa's microbiology, your medicine, because I've attended your class thrice, and sir.
So 3 times, was it not getting boring?
No, every year I had something new to learn.
Right.
Yeah. And then I think Ashwini Ranjan sir's PMSM was really good because my PSM was a really bad subject for me, but after his class it changed everything for me.
Right.
So, and then anatomy, sir, everybody, sir, especially during the live class, some of the new faculties which came were also equally really good.
And Dr. Rajat used to do a lot of these motivation sessions. Did you get a chance to see them?
Yeah, I used to see them. Some of his plans were good, but like I said, I think
Individually, you need to form your own plans, right? Great. I think it's been amazing listening to you.
Yeah.
And you've got a remarkable result. I hope you continue to do well in the future as well.
Thank you, sir.
So best wishes and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.